Hello everybody, we're back here at Thunder Valley CB shop. You got the Mud Duck Hut here. Alright guys, so pricing. So the Stryker 655 HP with the shake and bake tune, $30 off. The radio is $450 plus the tune is $50. That tune is normally $80, so I knocked $30 off, so that radio is $500. We also have our beautiful Galaxy 939, our Connex 3300 high power, our Connex 3400 high power, and our Connex 36 high power. We have our Cobra 29 Chrome, Cobra 29 Night Watch, and our Cobra 25. And we have our son's painting here. He got another one that he brought over. These two paintings are $40 a piece, and then he did this one, which is really cool. He wants $25 for this one. He actually overlaid canvas on top of it to make it look like a tree. So that's pretty neat, guys. Alright, thank you all for watching. Please go to my YouTube page, Thunder Valley CB shop, and subscribe. Our hours are Monday through Friday, 10 to 6. Thank you very much. God bless.